Hold up. Hold up, you two. Wait a minute. I saw Jin for longer than. You mean to tell me that I saw Jin for longer than 10 seconds in this performance? Bitch. Hey, what's good, YouTube world, and welcome to C-Bear Reacts. Hopefully you guys are having a wonderful, glorious, fantastic day. Your boy C-Bear is back with another requested reaction video. So, today's reaction video, I'm going to be reacting to BTS performing Airplane Part 2 on the comeback stage live. So, I ain't gonna waste no more time. Original video link will be down in the description below, so you guys can check it out for yourselves. So, let's go ahead and dive into this video, shall we? Woo! Alright y'all, so BTS is back in action once again and again and again and again, y'all. Woo! BTS has been so freaking busy this year, it's crazy. And hopefully you guys have not been tired of my reactions from BTS that I've been posting on my channel recently, and hopefully I don't get in trouble with this one. This is a live performance from Mnet, so I might be risking it with this one, but this is a risk that I am willing to take because you guys have asked me nicely. So, anywho, let's go ahead and dive into this video. This is BTS Airplane Part 2. I don't see Part 1 anywhere, so I'm guessing Part 1 is with J-Hope when he did the Airplane music video by himself. That's my guess. So, without any further ado, let's go ahead and dive into this video. Army, Dad. Alright, here we go. BTS in the house. We gotta skip the ad though. Yeah, skip. Airplane Part 2. How do you do? Okay, we got a chair and a microphone, but nobody's there. Oh, there's somebody. Is that Jungkook? Jimin, he's snatching the mic. He kind of feisty tonight. What's up, V? V is a place to be. Oh, that's Jin. Oh, hey. What's up, Jin? Where you been at? I'm liking this little microphone handoff situation. I'm kind of... Hold on one second. Wait. Oh, wait. I'm not ready for that. Hold on one second. I'm liking this little microphone trade-off, handoff situation. Very creative. But I'm a little bit nervous because BTS is known for dropping mics. If you know what I'm saying. You know, do you see the eye? You know what I'm saying? A little mic drop reference for you guys. I'm just saying, y'all. I'm just saying. But nonetheless, very creative. I like that. Like it. It's BTS. Hey! Woo! That's the BTS I like to see. Okay. Jungkook. Okay. Oh. That's what I like. Come on, Hobie. Show him how it's done. Hold on, y'all. Hold up. Wait a minute. Calm down, BTS. Y'all dancing too good. Y'all, woo, BTS, this choreography is on fire. This is some delicious ass choreography, and let me take a moment to appreciate that really quickly. Hold on a second, y'all. Finger looking good too. That's delicious right there, y'all. So delicious. That choreography is just man. Okay, let's continue. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm sorry. I just had a moment. Let's go. The BTS is so cool. Sugar Shugs, what's up, bro? Yeah.
We're going from Mexico City, London to Paris, Florida down to the Shield in Paris. And mariachi, mariachi,
Okay.
mariachi. We're going from the to Italy, Hong Kong to Brazil.
Is that Jin in the front? They put Jin in the front. He's there. Say what? I saw him again. Hold up, you two. Wait a minute. I saw Jin for longer than. You mean to tell me that I saw Jin for longer than 10 seconds in this performance, bitch? Am I in the Twilight Zone or something like that? I mean, I can't believe my eyes right now. Mnet, have y'all been watching my videos? Have y'all been taking notes? Because I've been saying I don't see Jin that much in BTS. Have y'all been watching my videos, Mnet? If you did, I'm so glad, because Jin needs more recognition, you know? Jin was... Am I in the Twilight Zone or something, bitch? YouTube, what? Miracles happen. Jin was in the front, and he was in the front too. He's usually in the back or in like the, you know, on the side or somewhere, you know, but no, I was not expecting that whatsoever. Jin was in the front for longer than 10 seconds. Okay, I'm done. I'm over it. Anyways, let's get to the performance. Every time I watch BTS, it's always such an incline. They always go up and up and up in my book. I mean, very innovative, very creative choreography with the mic trade-off, the handoff little situation. I was a little bit nervous about that because they like to drop mics. They're mic droppers, mic drop reference. But this performance, that was some extra delicious choreography. Super delicious choreography from BTS. I mean, it just keeps getting better and better and better and better and better. I mean, they're super busy this year, and they still amaze me. I mean, BTS is just, oh my goodness gracious. That was super delicious, y'all. I can't believe they put Jin in the front for longer than 10 seconds. Hallelujah, Jesus. There's a K-pop Jesus in the sky, y'all. Holy shit. Jin, I'm glad I can see you for longer than 10 seconds. I missed you, bro. You know? I wanted to see you front and center, and I got my wish. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. You gave Jin a chance, Mnets. Thank you so much. So anyways, this performance was just on a whole another level. The choreography, the little that was super spike-alicious and sexy at the same time, y'all. BTS, y'all are just like no other. Okay, I'm done with my reaction now. That was my reaction to that video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this reaction. I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys go. Please, please, please enjoy the rest of your day. And like I said with the request, drop them down below in the comment section or send me a message. Links are helpful. Thank you guys.
Peace.